Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on the air fryer and preheating to 350 degrees. While it warms, tear or cube 1 cup stale bread or 2 cups fresh bread. Dry bread yields better crumbs. Toss the cubes with 1-2 tablespoons oil or melted butter and 1/2 teaspoons salt. Add herbs if you like. Make sure pieces are uniform so they toast evenly. Once done prepping, spread a single layer in the basket. You want airflow around each cube to crisp them without burning. You air fry the bread cubes at 350 degrees for about 6-8 minutes, shaking the basket every 2 minutes so they toast evenly and don't darken at the edges. When pieces are golden and crisp, remove them and cool for 5-10 minutes. Cooling ensures they don't steam and become chewy. Then pulse in a food processor or crush in a sealed bag to your desired coarseness. Fine for coatings, coarse for toppings, and season again if needed. Make sure to check texture as you pulse. You finish by sifting for uniform crumbs, and if needed, returning them to the air fryer for 2-3 minutes to reach the texture you want. Cool fully, then transfer to an airtight container. Store at room temp up to 2 weeks or freeze up to 3 months. If your crumbs become soggy later, don't worry. Toast them at 320 degrees for 3-4 minutes and shake halfway. That will recrisp without burning. Make sure to cool before sealing to avoid condensation and spoilage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.